Hey guys, RTT back here for another video. Guys, today we're doing an unboxing of the Galaxy Buds 2, the new iteration of the Galaxy Buds from Samsung. So should be interesting to take a look at this. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing real fast. Let's slide off the top cover. And inside what you get, of course, is going to go ahead and be the Galaxy Buds and also the USB-C like cable. So let's go ahead and open that up and take a look at that. And actually, let's go ahead and take everything off as everything just came off right there. So right here we have the USB-C like cable. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. That is simply just a cable, nothing too special. And what you're going to see in a lot of these unboxing is simply that there isn't much when it comes to stuff in the box anymore, because of the fact they want to go ahead and get rid of all the environmental, stuff as possible, anything that could hurt the environment. So everything like the charging bricks, that kind of stuff, are going to be taken out of these boxes. So you guys can see this is of course what the USB-C like cable looks like. Now when it comes to the Galaxy Buds itself, it does go ahead and come in a very good looking case, and this is actually going to be a lot of resemblance of the AirPods Pro. And as you guys can see, it does say Samsung on the top, and that is all you have when it comes to branding. Now I will say, opening this up, it does go ahead and give you really good color scheme. I absolutely adore the color scheme of this device, of this case, my bad. As you guys can see, it's black on white, absolutely looking beautiful. That's something I will say, comparing it to Apple, is that this color scheme looks 100 times better, just simply on the factor of how it looks when it comes to the color scheme of black on white. But nonetheless though, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now going and taking these out of their case, they actually are a lot smaller than I expected them to be. I didn't know how big I really expected them to be, but comparing them a lot to what the AirPods Pro look like, they are somewhat similar in size, but they definitely feel a little bit smaller, and they definitely look a lot better than the AirPods Pro. I will definitely say Apple has increased a lot when it came to improving the look of their AirPods, but with this, look how good this looks, absolutely takes away from that whole entire iteration, and it definitely does not look as good as these do look. Now, of course, this is going to go ahead and retail for around $150. Comparing that to the price range of what we see with other AirPod products, like the AirPods Pro being $200 plus dollars, the AirPods 1 and of course 2 being around the iteration of being around the price tag of like $100 some odd, and then of course the AirPods 3 coming out in September with a price tag of around $150 to $200. It puts these Galaxy Buds right in that same kind of hemisphere, right in that same system. So I think this is a really good price tag for these. And if you're looking to pick up new, earbuds, definitely recommend going and giving these a try. These look absolutely gorgeous. Definitely will say, out of 10, I'm going to give these Galaxy Buds a solid 8 out of 10. Now I will do a full review of these Galaxy Buds after a week of using them, after a week of going ahead and having fun, showing these off, going ahead and having these out in the actual real world. But I will say overall, just starting off right away, these do look absolutely gorgeous. So I definitely say I think I'm going to have a good review. My opinion is most likely I will have a good review just based on how good these look right now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.